大家好，我是 Simon，今天我们来做传统的美国披萨。
Sprays are very common in the U.S.
Seems like so.
Yeah. I mean, I try and avoid them.
Why?
They're just not sustainable kind of thing.
Oh.
Like you have to have that steel can and stuff like that.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
You mean to the environment?
Yeah.
Wow.
So you might I prefer these.
Okay.
Like yours. I put garlic in it.
Uh-huh. What is it called?
This is just crushed tomatoes.
Tomatoes?
Or tomato sauce.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
But
sauce.
you can just buy it in the can. It's so much better than if you buy
Smashing
pizza sauce.
it yourself.
You can do it yourself too.
Okay.
But this is really good.
Uh-huh.
You can use my cutting board, obviously.
Thank you. Do you cut it?
I would just cook it as is, and then you cut it.
Farmer John, very traditional Canadian sausage. All right.
All of them.
Hey, I should let it rest.
Mm-hmm.
I keep rotating it, just like I'm frying a Chinese fried. Mozzarella.
A few moments later.